Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to apply for ICICI credit card on PC. ICICI Bank is most trusted bank of India, providing personal and business banking products. To apply for ICICI credit card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.icicibank.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to ICICI Bank's official website. Now to apply for credit card, click on cards option at top. Then here you can see credit cards at first. Click on credit cards. Now here you can scroll down and explore various of credit cards and its features and benefits. After exploring all the credit cards, choose one of the credit card that you want to apply for. Then click on apply now option. With that, you'll be taken to the registration page. Now here you need to enter all your details. On the right side here you can see you need to enter your mobile number linked with your Aadhaar on the given box. Then enter your permanent account number, that is PAN number, on the given box. Then once read through all the instructions and conditions on the downside by clicking on read more. View through all the information. With that, click on the box agreeing to all the conditions and agreements. After completing this process, you need to personalize your credit card. After personalizing your credit card, you need to enter your additional information. You need to enter your location, your country, your address. Then you also need to give information regarding your occupation as well. You also need to enter your first name, your last name, or your middle name if you have one. Then on last, you need to go through the process of verification and open credit card. With that, you need to submit your application. It will take few days for your application to be reviewed by the bank. After your application gets reviewed, you will be notified through your email address or your phone number. This is how we can apply for ICICI credit card online. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.